I know, but it's not loud enough to do
It's
that.
time for Declare Your Independence with Ernest Hancock.
Believe me when I say we have a difficult time ahead of us. But if we are to be prepared for it, we must first shed our fear of it. I stand here without fear because I remember that I am here not because of the path that lies before me, but because of the path that lies behind me. I remember that for 100 years we have fought these machines. And after a century of war, I remember that which matters most. We are still here! Tonight, let us make them remember we are not afraid!
No fear, no fear, no fear. Today on Declare Your Independence with me, Ernest Hancock. We've got a special show for you today. We have George Donnelly on. Now, we know George Donnelly from, I don't know, a bunch of freedom activism kind of stuff, and he's got a plan for us. Now, he's a dad, a family man, a blogger, entrepreneur, media junkie. He's on a mission to foment a peaceful revolution for liberty everywhere. He uses his media and IT skills to pursue that goal. George blogs at armyourmindforliberty.com, leads new media firm Thoreau Media, coordinates the Airport Freedom Advocate, We Won't Fly. Yeah, you guys remember that. This last Thanksgiving, we had some fun with that one. And recently founded Agora.io, a free biannual online liberty conference that anyone can participate in. The first conference is March 25th through 27th. Now, you can go to agora.io, agora.io. George, welcome to the show, man.
Hey, Ernie, how you doing? Thanks for having me on.
Now, tell me, this is a unique idea. I've done a lot of these freedom summits that we do. We've had a lot of speakers, and it is a massive coordination when you're doing it at a hotel. You got to go through the resort. You're doing a lot of these kind of things. And I never even thought of having this at online. You just have them come in, schedule them. You have competing speakers. Tell me what brought this on and what was behind this and why you guys did this.
Well, there was the cancellation of the New Hampshire Liberty Forum a couple months ago. And
wait. Stop. Tell me about that. Why?
Well, the Free State Project, they usually hold that event every winter in New Hampshire, kind of their flagship event. But they're having some trouble. They're having some money troubles. They were disorganized, and so they just called it quits.
Libertarians disorganized? Okay, so it was a money thing.
Yeah, and a disorganization thing, in my opinion.
Well, did they lose money last time? We went last year, and it was a shindig. I mean, just to get Judge Napolitano to show up probably cost you some cash. So I'm wondering, and I remember, I was interested because they had Naomi Wolf was going to be one of the speakers this year, so I was kind of pumped up about that. So they just decided, it was a little bit too complicated and money and who's going to be in charge, because it is a big endeavor. Now, of course, our Freedom Summits we do with the idea that we're going to not lose money, and sometimes we even make some. So there's a motivation there, plus to put on a good show. But you're right. Because of the internet, it has changed to where now we're contemplating having a summit at the summit. We're going to go up in northern Arizona in the mountains and seeing if we're going to have kind of a Pork Fest West, So we're working on that right now. Now, the thing is that what you're talking about is doing it all online, and I would imagine there's a lot of advantages to that. Go ahead and tell me about that.
Well, the advantage is you don't have to fly. You don't have to go through the TSA checkpoints.
We won't fly.
There you go.
Oh, I see the theme. Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to pay for a hotel. You don't have to pay for food. You don't have to take time off of work. And in the case of Agora.io, you don't even have to pay for tickets to the conference. It's free. So, this is really a great way to get everybody involved. Not everybody can go to a conference, in the real world, but everybody can participate in Agora.io because it's online and it's completely free.
Okay. Now, there are some costs, I would imagine. Is there some way that we can get some revenue of support to you? Are you selling DVDs of it? Are you accumulating something? You have a donation bar? I mean, you're doing this, I'm sure, out of the goodness of your freedom-loving heart. But, I'm wondering, is there a revenue opportunity for you doing this?
It totally is. I structured it from the beginning to be like an agoristic opportunity, not just for me, but for everybody who participates. So there are a whole bunch of roles people can take on. You can be an organizer like me. You can be a recruiter. You can, a recruiter who gets speakers to participate. You can make a channel and get speakers to fill that channel. You can be a sponsor and, get people's attention by buying ads on the website. And so all these different roles can make money. Speakers can take donations. They can sell stuff. Recruiters can get a cut of what the speakers make. Since I started the website, I'm selling sponsorships on the website, for as low as $100. So this is, it's kind of like a peer-to-peer setup. I don't give orders. I don't tell people what to do. It's like a spontaneous order kind of thing. And it operates on Agorist principles. So it's a real kind of free market thing going on here.
Well, tell me, how is it that you are selecting the people that participate? There's I tell you one thing, you guys haven't called me to say, hey, where's your money for sponsorship? I don't remember that. Well, maybe we can trade out, advertising for it. We'll do something, show. I'll get Thomas with you. But the thing is that you're having you're kind of breaking new ground here. I'm sure there's other people that have done, online kind of conferences, but I'll bet you, I haven't heard of one that's so wide and deep with the Agorist principles. Have you heard of another one that's been like this?
No, not at all. I did some research about this before. Frankly, I think this may be the first, free online on-conference of its kind anywhere, not just limited to the libertarian community. And it's a model that libertarians can adopt. I'm here to teach anybody how it works. You can adopt and you could take it to, politics, lobbying. You can take it to marijuana legalization efforts, anti-war, and even to private industry. This model is really sustainable because it doesn't cost hardly anything to make it work.
I want to say before we go to the break, I want to make this one comment. You are such a threat to the entire conference industry, hotels, airlines, Travelocity, car rentals. I mean, this is it. By setting, I'm so glad that you guys did, regardless of, and of course, I'm happy about the content and the things that will be learned. But what the biggest thing that will be learned by the masses out there, certainly those in business, is that you know what, we don't need to do this. Traveling around getting groped anymore. And the fact that the people from WeWon'tFly.com are the ones doing this, that's all the sweeter. And man, if this is, just that is a big, giant middle finger foam finger thing, to the man. So I'm just going, that's good, that's good. Did you guys contemplate that? Did that cross your mind, the impact you would have on the entire conference, seminar, resort, travel industry?
No, Ernie. I didn't even think about it until you just said it this moment.
Well, all right. Well, it's happening. I guarantee it, man. This is, and that's the part that I'm going to push. That part right there. I'm going to make a big stinking deal out of this, going to all of the industry, because I got, tie-ins. We'll do radio shows on it. You know what I'll do is I'll have the head of some travel seminar, some guy will go, oh, yeah, you need to do and book through us and this, and I'll go, well, We Won't Fly is doing this. You know, is that the wave of the future? Do we need to take these guys out? I don't know, man. We need to worry. Well, they do. We don't. We'll be right back with George Donnelly, the Agorist Conference, in just a little bit.